Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070308 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error 0x80070308 while updating your Windows, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. The first method is you just need to click on Start menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot setting. Then here you will find other troubleshooters. Click on this. Here you will find Windows Update. Just you have to click on run, and it will identify if there is any problem with your Windows Update, then it will fixes automatically. After completion of this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type sfc /scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can try to update your Windows again. Hope the issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update error 0x80070308. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.